What's going on, boaters? We are on a fresh new trade, a 2004 Four Winds 230 Horizon. This boat is in really good condition still. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the bow, you're gonna have your bow swim ladder. You also have your swim ladder in the back as well. You have lots of space up here in the bow. You're gonna have your close off doors, so when you're coming across the lake at night, you can stay nice and warm. Does have a private head on here, so lots of extra storage in there, porta potty. You even have your table that you can stow or keep out. You have your clearing audio throughout the whole boat. This boat only has 330 hours on it, so it still has a lot of life left in it. You have your captain's chair, co-captain's chair with bolsters. And this boat even has a sink, cup holders, trash, countertop, so you can keep your snacks out all day long. Wraparound seating here in the back, and a nice big swim platform. You're gonna wanna come check out this boat at MarineMax Crosslake or visit it on our website today. Let's get you out on the water yet this summer.